Though it's a new dawn at St. Elizabeth Technical High School as the institution adjusts to the departure of longtime head coach Ronaldo Walcott. However, that dawn has started in a similar fashion to what obtained before, with the Santa Cruz School retaining their Western Champs title on Saturday. While St. Elizabeth Technical were the overall champions at Western Championships on Saturday, some of the top performances came from elsewhere, with Alexis James of Petersfield High accounting for the only record on the day. The NACAC Under-18 champion became the first athlete in the history of Western Champs to dip below 14 seconds for the girls' Class 1 100-meter hurdles when she stopped the clock in 13.91 seconds to win the event. James returned to also take the girls' 100 meters as she produced 11.93 seconds to win and was the only competitor to go below 12 seconds in the event. In the boys' Class 1 100 meters, DeAndre Daly of Herbert Marson showed why he will be one to watch for the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships as he clocked an easy 10.59 seconds to beat the STETHS pair of Orlando Wind 10.88 and Javon Dunkley 10.94. DeAndre, along with brother Mark Daly, then led home a Herbert Marson 1-2 in the Class 1 200 meters with times of 21.40 and 21.55 respectively. Sabrina Dockery of Lacovia was also a double winner on the day as she took the Class 3 200-400 meter events in times of 24.90 and 57.32 seconds respectively. Onika Brissett was also outstanding for William Knibb as she won the 800-400 meter double. She was especially easy in the one-lap event as she won in 58.28 seconds. But despite the bright performances, STETHS would not be outdone as Shamir Blake captured both the sprint hurdle events. Blake first posted 14.57 seconds to win the Class 1 110-meter hurdles, with Romario Stewart of Petersfield second in 14.74. The pair also shared the top two spots in the 400-meter hurdles, with Blake again winning in 54.90 seconds, while Stewart ended in 55.08. Adrian Nethersole was also a double winner for STETHS on the boys' side, taking both the 800 meters and the 1500 meters of Class 1 boys. Team captain Alec Cranston was pleased to be crowned boys' champions yet again.
I mean, it's nothing new for the STETHS team because we know that we're a very good team, so we just came out here and just defend our title.
Girls team captain Alicia Robbins, who ended the day with individual 1500-meter gold and a silver in the 800 meters, as well as anchoring STETHS to the 4x100-meter title for Class 1, was pleased to have contributed to her team's success.
I've been out all season. I've only run once this season, so I came here today to just see where I am in terms of when I got back to training last week. And I think I did pretty well. I think I could improve, I will improve, and coming ISA Boys and Girls Championship, I will be there and I will be among the top.
Head coach Marvin James feels his team could have won more convincingly.
Always areas where we should have done better and could have done better. For example, in the 200s, I think we could have done better there. In the sprints, the 100s, yes, we should have done better. Overall, the distance did well. The 400 people did well also.
STETHS amassed 344.5 points in the boys section to finish ahead of Cornell College 215 and Herbert Marson Technical 190. In the girls section, STETHS had 106.5 more points and Petersfield High scoring 343.5 points to 237. Meanwhile, head coach of St. Elizabeth Technical, Marvin James, says he was not pressured by the weight of expectation placed on him to deliver the Western Championships. James takes over from longtime head coach Ronaldo Walcott, who is now focused on coaching senior athletes at Elite Performance Track Club.
Not really, not really, because I would have been here with all the other championships, so we would have sat down and worked out everything, so not enough pressure, but it is what it is.
And with the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships a month away, the school that swept the boys' 100-meter event in 2021 has its work cut out to deliver once again.
And a massive pressure there also to repeat the fourth place. I think most of all, we should be better back in the sprints. The people who were out injured, they got a chance to run today, so we are looking good coming into Boys and Girls Championship in another month's time. So it's back to the drawing board, hard work for champs. We are wide enough to amass a lot of points at champs. I don't think we will be sweeping the sprints this year because we started to train very late, very, very late. We started like late December, so we would have been way behind. So, but we will try to catch pace and keep up with the others and see how best we can defend the sprints.
STETHS ended 4th on the boys' side at Champs 2021 while ending 11th on the girls' side.